Hey, this is Vic. Welcome back to Crash Construction. And this is a Williams ratcheting screwdriver that I bought a little while ago. And it's magnetic, and it comes with so we got a Phillips of some kind. I think it's number 2. And then the Torque's 15. And then another Phillips, which is, I believe, a number 1. And then a flathead of some kind, and then a smaller flathead. Now I'll go into the base, into the back of this thing. It's magnetic. And etching. It's Williams JHWWRS1, cost $40.50 on Amazon, and it's Williams is, I guess, an industrial brand of Snap-on, so it's almost identical to a Snap-on 8-piece screwdriver, also ratcheting with bits in the back. Which is, the one I looked up is an SGDMRC 103A, which happens to be a red one. But that set has an extra extension in it, and that whole thing cost $183.50. So if you want a Snap-on quality screwdriver at a fraction of the price, go on Amazon and buy the Williams ratchet screwdriver thing for like a third of the price. That's it.